Hi everyone, this is Professor Mayunger and you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started. Hello viewers, this is our 27 exercise and we'll be modeling this one using Autodesk Fusion 360. We're having 3 different views here and it is better to start from this one. This drawing is very simple. We need to sketch this one and that to be extruded to different depths, right? So without wasting time, let us start our modeling using Autodesk Fusion 360. So we need to start from here, sketch, and we can start from any plane. Start sketching from this front one, and we need to create a set of concentric circles. First of all, we'll draw circles without any dimension, and later on we'll provide smart dimensions, right? So creating some circles at random. Again, we can make some other circles here also. And inside this one, we can make some slot. So let us create slot. And for slot, we can select center to center point slot. Now we need to provide smart dimensions. Let us see the drawing again. This one will be having diameter 60, 40 and 20 millimeter. So smart dimension, this one is 60. This one is 40. And this one will be 20 millimeter. And again, this one is 15 millimeter. And this one will be 30 millimeter. Again, this one is also 30 millimeter. And the slot is having diameter of 12 millimeter, so radius is 6 millimeter. And radius of this one is 6 millimeter. And also we need to provide some other dimensions. Let us see the drawing again. The distance between the center of the slot is actually 40 millimeter, and from here to here it is 50 millimeter. So smart dimension, this one is 40 millimeter, and from here to here it will be 50 millimeter. And again, you see this one, the vertical height from here to here is 40 millimeter again. From here to here, this one is 40 millimeter. And this circle and this circle will be collinear. We can provide that relation from here, or collinearity. Center of this one and this one will be collinear, right? Done. Again, we need to provide some other dimension. You can see the distance from here to here is 85 millimeter. You can provide smart dimension. From here to here is 85 millimeter. Done. Now we need to make the outer periphery with lines. So starting with line. Again, we need to make more lines from here to here also. And here we need to provide one arc which will be tangent to both the circles, right? So starting with arc, and it will be 3-point arc. Let us start with any arbitrary point, and we can provide some radius to this one also. We need to provide a relation between this circle and that line. This will be tangent to both the circles. So selecting tangency relation, and this line is tangent to this circle. Done. Again, this case also this line is tangent to both the circles. So select this line and that circle is tangent. Again, this arc is tangent to this bigger circle. Done. Now the radius of this circle to be provided, let us see the radius of this one is 50 millimeter. So you can put a smart dimension to this one. The radius of this one is 50 millimeter. Drawing is complete. Now we can trim some unwanted entities that can be trimmed from here. So our drawing is complete. We can finish the sketch and that to be extruded to different depths, right? Let us see the drawing, how much to be extruded. This one to be extruded by a depth of 15 millimeter, and this other part to be further extruded by a depth of 20 millimeter, right? We can start extrusion. We need to select specific areas. So select specific areas, and we need to extrude this one in the opposite direction by minus 15 millimeter. Done. Now we need to extrude the remaining parts. So we can select the sketch from here, and this is the remaining portion that to be extruded to a different depth. Let's see the drawing again. This part to be extruded to a total depth of 20 plus 15, 35 millimeter, right? The area is selected. Now we need to start extrusion from here, and the depth of extrusion will be upward and it will be minus 35 millimeter. And we are joining this one to the parent body. Okay, done. Make the sketch to be off. So this is our drawing. You can see it. To have a better appearance, hit A, and from library you can select metallic appearance. We're considering this one to be made up of polished bronze. Let us close it. Right. So this is our model. We initiate the drawing from the top plane, and that was extruded to different depths to get the final shape, right? So with this one, we'll conclude our 22nd exercise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.